So hi everybody, आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ smoked pork with pineapple. Let's begin. Slice the pork. इतना छोटा भी नहीं, इतना बड़ा भी नहीं. So ये smoked pork हमने घर पे ही smoke किया है. Now it's time to marinate the pork. So first we'll add soy sauce. This is apple cider vinegar. Red peppers. So we'll add black pepper too. Little bit of ginger. We will use the rest later. And now let's dip in the pork. Let it stay here for 15 to 30 minutes. Till then, we will prep the other aromatics. So I think this is enough. Now it's time to chop the pineapple. And ये pineapple jatinga का है. And also buy a pineapple where you spot a lot of bees. So when bees hover around pineapple, it means that pineapple is going to be sweet. For all the people in Northeast, cooking pork with pineapple would be a major no-no. I think it is a crime. But लेकिन मैंने सोचा कि आज कुछ अलग करके खाएं. Locally मैं बनाती हूँ pork dishes, but globally मैंने देखा है, खाया भी था pineapple with pork, तो खा के बड़ा ही अच्छा लगा. So I just wanted to recreate it and experiment it and feed my husband. So कभी कभी तो बनता है. ये साइज सबसे छोटा है, खा लेते हैं. It's time to fry our smoked pork. It's time to add salt. We did not add salt earlier. Wow. Now let's add the onion, ginger, garlic, and chili. This marinade. This is pork fat, so I'm going to just char the pineapples here. This looks amazing. So the pineapples are looking perfectly charred. So here our pork with pineapple is ready and it's time to taste. Okay. Wow. Wow, such a wonderful mix of pork and pineapple. We could never think about it, but once you marry them together, it's amazing. I really enjoyed making this recipe for all of you. See you all in the next episode. Bye-bye.